Good morning, boys and girls. Look at the screen. On this screen, you see learning objectives. Please read these learning objectives attentively. The next screen are our lesson objectives. The first, identify the meaning of new words and match them with their meanings. The second, complete the text with suitable words. The third, fill in the gaps while listening. And the fourth, practice multiple choice and matching listening techniques. So, boys and girls, look at our next screen. I want to ask you, how do you think? What picture are these and what are we going to talk about today? But before answering this question, please look at the picture number 2 and you can see some planets. So, and please repeat after me. Venus, Венера. Mars, Марс. Earth, Земля. Saturn, Сатурн. Neptune, Нептун. Pluto, Плутоний. Uranus, Уран. Jupiter, Юпитер. Asteroid, Астероид. Mercury, Меркурий. Moon, Луна. Sun, Солнце. Galaxy, Млечный Путь. Comet, Комета. And the last word is black hole, черная дыра. So, I hope that you guessed today's our lesson theme. Yes, today we are talking about space. How do you think? What is it, space? So, boys and girls, space has two meanings. The first meaning, a continuous area or expanse which is free, available, or unoccupied. For example, a table took up much of the space. Next, the second meaning, the physical universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Noun outer space, plural noun outer spaces. So, the next. Boys and girls, let's discuss following questions. Would you like to travel into space? Why? Why not? What do you imagine it will be like? What problems do you think you would experience in space? To answer this question, I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay? I hope that each of you could able answer these questions. Okay, let's continue lesson.
If you scaled the Earth down to the size of a cue ball, it would be smoother than the ball, Everest included. On Saturn, it may rain millions of pounds of diamonds every year. The atmosphere has such high heat and pressure
in midair.
that scientists think it can squeeze carbon into diamonds in midair. Jupiter is so big that it doesn't even orbit the sun. It revolves around a spot just above the sun's surface.
So it wobbles a little.
The sun orbits that spot too, so it wobbles
Venus
a little.
spins in the opposite direction than all the other planets in our solar system.
Venus spins in the opposite direction than
sun's
all the other planets in our solar
gravitational
system.
pull flipped its axis 180
Scientists think that the sun's gravitational pull flipped its
When
axis
the moon is at its
180
furthest point
degrees.
in its elliptical orbit,
When the moon is at its furthest point in its
all the planets
elliptical
in our
orbit,
solar system could fit in the space between our Earth
all the planets in our solar system could fit in the space between our Earth and our moon.
The Earth is currently moving 1,029 miles per hour.
The Earth is currently
solar
moving
system is
1,029 miles per hour,
490,000 miles.
and our solar system
It's a
is
pretty good
currently
thing we have
moving
gravity to keep us up.
490,000
Our
miles
Milky
per
Way
hour.
galaxy
It's a
is
pretty
going
good thing we have
crash
gravity
into
to
the
keep us up.
Andromeda galaxy in 4
Our
billion
Milky Way
years.
galaxy is going to
The
crash
collision will
into the
likely
Andromeda
fling our
galaxy
sun to
in
another
4
spot in the
billion
galaxy,
years.
but
The
not
collision
destroy
will likely fling our sun to another spot in the galaxy, but not destroy the Earth.
The fastest thing in the universe is a pulsar called PSR.
The fastest thing in the universe
It's a
is a
collapsed
pulsar
star
called
that spins
PSR.
716 times per
It's a collapsed
second.
star that spins 716
Molecular cloud
times
Sagittarius
per
B
second.
contains over 2 octillion
The molecular
gallons
cloud
of
Sagittarius B contains over 2
That's a lot of
octillion
gallons.
gallons of alcohol.
Scientists think that it would taste
That's a
like
lot of
raspberry.
gallons. Scientists think that it would taste like raspberry rub.
Or new vocabulary, okay? These new words. So, for this task I'll give you, you should do it in a written form in your exercise book. Is it clear? You should do it in, and I'll give you for doing this task, okay, 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes. So, after doing this task, let's check your answers. Look at the screen, please. So, boys and girls, yes, here your right answers, and you should check yourself. So, don't worry if you have had some mistakes, because yes, because it's new lesson yes, it's new vocabulary for you, and please don't worry and don't be upset. Next, so boys and girls, our lesson is gone, and your home task: find short information about one planet and write it in your exercise book. And so the first task, you should do it in written form, yes, and the next task, you should to learn new vocabulary. Okay, so the lesson is over, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.